ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ? ਕਾफ़ी ਦੇਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਚੈਨਲ 'ਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ। ਦ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਵਾਜ਼ ਡੈਟ ਆਈ ਵਾਜ਼ ਨਾਟ ਵੈਲ, ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਆਮ ਓਕੇ, ਆਮ ਵੈਲ। ਸੋ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸਲੀ ਹੁਣ ਚੈਨਲ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਵਲ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ, ਸਟੇਟ ਸਿਵਲ ਸਰਵਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ, ਹੋਰ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਤੇ, ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ 'ਤੇ, ਕੌਂਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ 'ਤੇ, ਜਨਰਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ 'ਤੇ, ਸਾਇੰਸ 'ਤੇ, ਮੈਂਟਲ ਐਬਿਲਿਟੀ 'ਤੇ ਰੈਗੂਲਰਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਆ। ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਇਜ਼ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ। Friends, as you know, public administration is the management of affairs at central, state or local level. When any government, central, state or local, starts any venture for the welfare of the public to give benefits to the public as well as to the country's citizens, it is called public administration. But the management of some work, some venture by two people, one people or group of individuals is called private administration. The management of the public distribution depot is called public administration. But the management of the cloth shop started by one, two or a group of people is called private administration. There are many similarities and dissimilarities between public administration and private administration. As you know, public administration is the work started by center, state or local government, and private administration is the management of any private work, any private venture, any private institute by one, two or group of people is called private administration. So the similarities between public administration and private administration is filing is same in public administration and private administration. Both the personnel of public administration and private administration, they work while sitting on chair and tables. Accounting is the same in two administrations. Budgeting is the same. Recording of facts is the same. Input output ratio is the same. So these are the some similarities which are present in public administration and private administration. So public administration is the management of affairs by central, state or local government, and private administration is the management of any private affair by one, two or group of people. So it is called private administration. Now comes to the dissimilarities between public administration and private administration. This is more important. Number one, profit motive. The main aim of private administration is to earn more and more profit, but public administration is related to welfare of the people. Public administration, if start any work, it is meant for the welfare of the people. No doubt the public administration charges, user charges, very nominal charges from the citizens, but the main aim of private administration is to earn more and more profit. I will open a cloth shop if I will earn more and more profit from that shop. If I am going in loss, I will shut down that shop. Size, the size of public administration is bigger than the private administration. Private administration is very small, and public administration, the size of public administration is very large. Take the case of railway, largest employer in our country. Welfare oriented. Public administration is aimed at welfare of the public. Private administration to earn more and more profit. Legal entity. Public administration is a legal entity. When any government, central, state or local government starts any venture, any business, any trade, any management of affair, that is a legal entity. But private administration is not a legal entity. So public administration is a legal entity and private administration is not a legal entity. Merit system. The personnel of public administration, they are recruited on the basis of merit system. They are also given the promotion on the basis of seniority and merit. But in private administration, merit system doesn't prevail. You can recruit anybody at any position. So public administration is based on merit. The personnel of public administration, they are trained skilled by the government. We have many training institutions in government sector which are responsible for giving training skill to the personnel of public administration. But in private administration, you are put on job, do and know is more present in public administration. Permanent. The personnel of public administration are permanent. They retire at a fixed age, 60 years, 58 years. But in private administration, there is no fixed age of retirement. Theory Z is working here in private administration. You can be recruited at any time, at any age. You can be fired at any age. So, public administration, there is a permanency. You retire at a fixed age. In private administration, there you can be hired at any age and you can be fired at any age. This is the difference between public administration and private administration. Pension. In public administration, pension is prevailed. If you retire at a fixed time, you are entitled to get pension, whether that is a old pension scheme or a new pension scheme. But in many private administration, pension is not available. Security of tenure. In public administration, you have a security of tenure. In private administration, you don't have security of tenure. Promotion. In public administration, you are given promotion on the basis of seniority and merit. But in private administration, you can be given promotion or you cannot be given promotion. So this is also a dissimilarity between public administration and private administration. Welfare oriented. Public administration is welfare oriented. It is meant for the welfare of the citizens of the country. Public administration provides you so many such electricity, transportation, water supply, roads. Public administration is also maintenance of all these facilities provided to you. All types of transportation system, whether that is air, water or on road, is provided by public administration. But in private administration is aimed at earning more and more profit. I will open a confectionery shop if I'm getting more profit from that. So main aim of public administration is welfare activities, and the main aim of private administration is to earn more and more profit. So these are the dissimilarities between public administration and private administration. So friends, we request subscribe my channel Professor Komal Singh on YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram Professor Komal Singh, Professor_Komal Singh. That is my Instagram ID, and keep watching videos, and if you like the lecture, please share it and like it. Thank you very much. मिलांगे next video पे. सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम.